Writing down your thoughts might seem trivial until you realize it's the one free therapy session you've been ignoring. We've all experienced moments where stress, anxiety, or emotional chaos feels like it's swallowing us whole. For some, the weight of mental strain can be paralyzing, and if you've ever been there, you know the suffocating grip of overwhelm. As someone who once scoffed at the idea of journaling, preferring what I thought were more serious solutions, I'll admit I was wrong. Now let's be clear, journaling isn't a magic cure for clinical anxiety or depression. Those require professional care. But here's the part most people miss. It's a surprisingly powerful tool to untangle the mental knots that leave us feeling stuck. And when it comes to coping, even small wins matter. If you're new to journaling, you might wonder, why does scribbling in a notebook help? How do I even start? The beauty lies in its simplicity. Therapy isn't accessible to everyone, but a pen and paper, that's universal. Below, experts break down why this habit deserves a spot in your daily routine and how to make it stick. Why journaling works, the science behind the pen. Shari B. Kaplan, a licensed clinical social worker and founder of Connected Wellness, has spent 30 years helping people navigate trauma, anxiety, and depression. Her take? Journaling transforms mental chaos into something manageable. It's like hitting the organize button for your emotions. But here's where it gets interesting. Writing doesn't just feel therapeutic, it rewires your brain. When you journal, you engage both the creative right hemisphere and the logical left side, Shari explains. This dual activation helps your brain process experiences more deeply, calming your nervous system and bringing clarity. And this is the part most people miss. Journaling isn't just about venting. It's a biological reset button. Stress and trauma trap your nervous system in fight or flight mode, Shari notes. Writing externalizes those emotions, so they're not endlessly recycling in your mind. Over time, this reduces anxiety, quiets overthinking, and sharpens emotional awareness. How to start journaling? No, it doesn't have to be perfect. Feeling intimidated? Don't be. The best part about journaling is that there are no rules. Scribble nonsense, rant about your day, or doodle angry circles. It all counts. Once you're comfortable, try prompts like, "Today I feel, what I really need right now is, one thing I'd love to let go of." Shari's golden rule, forget grammar. Forget eloquence. Your journal is a judgment-free zone. Even 3 messy sentences can shift your mindset. Making journaling a habit without it feeling like chore. Consistency is key. But forcing yourself to write a novel every morning isn't sustainable. Here's the hack. Pair journaling with an existing habit. Brew your coffee? Jot down 3 thoughts first. Brushing your teeth? Keep your journal on the sink. Habit stacking tricks your brain into autopilot mode, says Shari. Personally, I journal at night. After my obligatory doom scroll, I switch my phone to sleep mode, grab my notebook, and dump the day's mental clutter onto paper. I also list my worries about tomorrow, which, controversially, works better than any sleep app. Try it and argue with me in the comments. The bigger picture, why this matters. Journaling is active self-care, Shari emphasizes. Every word is a step towards self-compassion. It's not about fixing yourself overnight. It's about creating a safe space to slow down, reflect, and yes, heal. So, here's my question to you. Have you ever dismissed journaling as too simple to work? What's one emotion you'd want to unpack on paper today? Drop your thoughts below. Let's debate the power of pen and paper. P.S. If you're still skeptical, consider this. What's the downside? Worst case, you waste 5 minutes. Best case, you unlock a lifeline for your mental health. Not a bad gamble.